style. And if you've got it, it stands out a mile.
No panic, no panic. The emergency generator will kick on in a minute. Hey! He did it again.
What are we doing sneaking around the VA hospital? This is government property and it happens to be against the law.
Will you keep it down? You're gonna get us nailed here.
I can't keep it down because I'm not used to being a burglar.
We didn't burgle anyone. We're just shutting off the electricity for a bit.
The bottom line is, Captain, if you come along with us, you're exposed. Your cover is blown for good.
Not to worry, Colonel.
Oh, no.
I don't believe we've met.
I can't believe it. Murdoch is part of the A-team. Right under our noses all this time.
I'm sorry. My nose knows not to whose nose you refer.
You're Captain Murdoch.
Captain Spaulding.
Murdoch.
I wonder what gave me away.
Listen, I'm not going to have any part of this. We're busting a ring dig out of the hospital.
I finally agree with this guy.
Fulbright and I agreed that on this mission, neither gets out of the other site. Now, first, we need transportation.
I know. We have to fly. I'll do it this time. Because this Morrison guy can clear us. You guys won't have to be knocking me out no more for none of these crazy capers we be going on.
Okay, I got the uniform on. Now what? What are we doing here?
Well, I believe that they're here searching for the proper forward and upward momentum to get them to their preferred destination. I mean, not that I know anything about flying or...
I am not going to steal a military airplane.
Of course you're not. We are. You are just coming along for the ride.
Smith, hold on a minute.
Now, look, Fulbright, maybe it'd be better if you give us all the information you have, and then we'll go get Morrison.
No way. This is my mission. We're going to do it my way. You know, we're all part of the same team.
Correction. The team did not join you. You are joining the team. Now, if you want to tag along, fine. But keep your mouth shut and be a good soldier.
Now, I believe that this is the one that your captain, if he were here, would request. Man face?
Yeah. That one? One with the little stars on the side?
We'll never get away with this. Never. We're going to get thrown in the stockade. Oh, my God, I'll be in a cell next to the A-team.
Well, at least you want to chase us all over town to find us anymore.
And just how do you propose to pull this off?
Face, give me the General's guns.
Sure.
All right, General, you finally succeeded in doing what you've been trying to do. You finally captured the A-team.
You actually captured the A-team, sir. That's incredible.
Lieutenant, I want the first available aircraft made ready for me. I got to get these dangerous criminals to Washington right away.
Well, we have a transport coming in within the next 2 hours. They'll only be laying in over...
What about this plane right here, Lieutenant?
This plane is General Eckworth, sir.
Eckworth?
Yes, what does this man look like to you? Don't you see the stars on his shoulder?
Oh, yes, certainly, but General Eckworth is a 4-star general.
But what do you think that Bull Fulbright is going to be when he turns in the A-team? The most notorious outlaws in America since the James Gang.
Well, I could call General Eckworth.
You do that. You do just that.
No,
Well,
don't do that.
I mean, if... Oh, I don't have to. Here he comes.
All right. Nobody move or Fulbright eats it. You're on the plane. You, get in the pilot seat.
Come on, do what he says. Do what he says. Are you satisfied, Lieutenant? You gave them the upper hand. Now tell that to Eckworth.
What are you going to do with General Fulbright?
What are you doing with my plane?
The A-team's taking it, sir.
The A-team?
They've taken General Fulbright hostage, too.
Let's go. Stop that plane. I don't care what it takes. I am not going to be one of the A-team's many fools.
But General Fulbright
is a soldier.
Look, why don't you just take off? Look, I don't know what the general's been up to lately, but he's been hanging around with some pretty funky people. I mean, they got all kinds of weirdo mundo stuff here. Blank black gauges. Look.
Black gauges?
Yeah. Oh, top secret stuff. Who knows what it's for? I mean, this could even be a self-destruct button.
Hey, look, will you just get us up in the air?
Are they crazy? Don't they know I'm aboard?
Those who live by the sword